For evaluating my CBA1, what I think I did well in was that I explored the 4 different mechanisms in grave detail which all transfer different loads. I also explored the different parts of each mechanism. This allowed me to have a greater understanding. When exploring each mechanism, I linked it into real life applications. So with the conveyor belt, I identified that it's used in shops and in a printer. Even though on the printer it's not to support a load, it's just the application of how the mechanism works, and it is also used in transporting um, goods and rocks in a quarry, as I took the picture from the depot. Um, I found that the real life examples made it easier for me to understand the mechanisms in greater detail. For example, the auger on my uncle's farm. When I went through how the auger transports the bulk nut from the ground to in order to feed the cattle, it really allowed me to see how mechanisms make our lives as humans much easier. Um, it allowed me to see how mechanisms are linked into personal, local, social and environmental relevance in our lives. Doing the CBA, I found out that these mechanisms can be used every day, e.g. in pillar drills, for the rack and pinion, and also the car steering, um, which I did not know beforehand. Before this topic, I wasn't aware of the amount of objects that slash devices that require the use of mechanisms. By identifying the different mechanisms, it allowed me to understand how the different mechanisms allow different process work. It allowed me to understand it on a greater level.